Good morning friends. Welcome back to yoga session. Yoga is a way of living healthy and happy. Yoga brings harmony in body, mind and soul. It is a complete package of breathing exercises, physical exercises, asanas, meditation, relaxation and visualization. A 30-minute yoga workout a day brings the health aspects. Early morning is the best time to do yoga. Yoga can be practiced in standing, sitting and laying down posture. A yoga practice in standing posture today. First is the breathing exercise. Stand erect with your hands on the sides. Breathe in and breathe out deeply and steadily. Visualize that each and every cells are get energized with the oxygen and you are exhaling out the impure air within. The next breathing is strengthening the chest region. Hold like this. Breathe in, fill in the chest area with fresh air, pure oxygen. Breathe out all the instilled air inside the lungs. The third breathing is, let's receive the cosmic energy. Fill in, fill in, fill in. And shower it back to the universe. Next is the physical exercise, a body twist. Stand like this, hold the hands like this, turn to the right. Feel the twist in the upper body. Next is simple hand exercises. Like this, and for the fingers. For me, close, back, rotation, bring it close, sit on an imaginary chair, cup on your knees, rotate. Clockwise, anti-clockwise and clockwise. Every time you do a breathing or an exercise, visualize the benefits. And now you did the knee exercises, you are applying the fluid uniformly inside the knees. So next comes the asanas. First is the mountain pose, stretching our body and spine. Raise on your toes, breathe in. This. Breathe out. Come back with your feet flat and hands on the sides together. Next, let us do the side bending pose, wheel pose. Just simple one. Breathe in. The side is stretching. We are strengthening the stride. Come like this. Breathe in, come up, breathe out. Don't stop an asana on one side, please repeat that on the other side. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now let's do a bending asana to increase the blood flow in our brain. Hand feet pose. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. breathe out. Next is a volcano pose. Stand straight, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Then comes the warrior pose. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. This is warrior pose 1, and let's see the warrior pose 2 also. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. So that's the asanas. There is no meditation in standing posture. So the yoga, breathing, physical exercises and the asanas, that makes the body flexible. It balances our body. It energizes the cells. It makes all the organs also move freely. And it is the me time you are doing yoga. So know yourself. Take some time for yourself. Try to practice yoga every day to enhance the immunity. That is it, my dear friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.